Hey guys, welcome back to Soulful Adventures, and here we are to do our next month tarot readings for the month of December 2020 for our next zodiac sign, and that is for Taurus. So let's see what are the cards, what are the messages by universe for Taurus for the month of December 2020. Okay, so right now I'm drawing some cards. Great. Taurus card. Okay. Wow. So guys, your overall energy is 9 of Swords, Taurus. So let's speak about your overall energy first for the month of December 2020. 9 of Swords is a card where it signifies that you are right now into a situation where you have accepted the truth, accepted that some things need to change. There are some endings in your life, some betrayal I can say, some guilt, and because of it at night you are not able to sleep, sleepless nights. You are suffering in silence. So this month it's all about how to accept the truth and let go of your fears. Okay, this is a fear card. So specifically, if what message this month overall energy is for you is to let go of the past fears, past trauma, and move ahead. Okay, so that is 9 of Swords energy for you. Now what we have as your first card is the Hierophant. Now Hierophant is an energy, this is a Taurus card. So it's an energy of spiritual awakening. It's a beautiful card. This is a marriage card. So if some people are waiting for marriage proposals, then yes, this is a time where you might get married, or at least start with the with the phase of that marriage. Then it's a spiritual awakening card, something solid, something foundational, okay, something very official. So this could be legal matters also. If you were waiting for legal matters to start, any legal matter or official matter, yes, this month is the appropriate time to start over it. Or some good news regarding your legal matters if you were waiting for, definitely this month is going to bring you that. With the Hierophant, it also suggests that try to be connected with your Guru. Guru in the meaning your teacher or someone you simply adore or follow. It could be your parents, it could be some religious person, it could be your anything which you think as your Guru. It means that seeking the help of someone. For an example, I am a tarot reader. So if you truly believe in tarot, and if you are reading this, if you are listening to this reading, then definitely you can seek help from me. If you have someone who is doing some other kind of spiritual activity, maybe crystal therapy, maybe numerology, or anything whom you believe or trust, definitely seek help from them. This is the month of seeking help from your gurus for you guys, and taking a guidance and help from them. Then what we have as your second card is King of Cups. Okay, King of Cups is an energy where you have a complete beautiful balance of gentleness, kindness, calmness, okay, with a powerful, highly wise and very knowledgeable perspective. King of Cups is, I could describe it, yes, it could be like this, that yes, I am very gentle, very caring and very kind toward others, okay, and with the same thing I am very knowledgeable that where I should share my love and where to be very much practical, and I believe that with sharing of love, everything could be conquered. Okay, so world is in need of love, and yes, I'm a person who is offering love this month, and I'm accepting the love from others wholeheartedly. This is what is exactly King of Cups energy. So in this month, in the month of December, try to offer someone a genuine love, a genuine care, and in return you are going to get the benefit of it. What we have as your third card presently is the Fool. Exactly. So what is it indicating? So Taurus, this is the month of new beginning. Okay, this is the month to change, to accept what is ended, and to start with a new beginning. So let go of your fears and take a new leap of faith. Take that jump, take that risk, love again, care for people. I completely understand there could be a situation, Taurus, in everybody's life. It could be that once you are heartbroken, once you are betrayed, once you go through that pain or hurt situation, I completely understand. When you go through this situation, you are just facing your fears and letting go of your fears, then there could be a possibility that you could become more practical, you could become more cold and not involving emotionally. Okay, but in this month you have an opportunity from universe that yes, you can be spiritually awakened, you could practice mindfulness, meditate, and because of this spiritual awakening you could be very much gentle, exactly the opposite behavior of becoming practical and rough. See, King of Cups is not an energy that it means becoming an emotional fool. Okay, being very emotional and loving everybody and giving an opportunity to people to take disadvantage of your very kind and emotional nature. No, it means that how to be very much powerful with love. Okay, not to behave rude or impolite or very straightforward with people, very blunt with people, but at the same time being polite, being gentle, but accepting the change, accepting that you have your opinions, keeping your opinions very gently. Okay, not denying straight, but yes, denying it if you are not agreeing with it, with a with a very gentle approach, very polite approach is what is December giving you an opportunity, Taurus, to be. So take that risk again. Okay, if you feel that you would be again hurt in future, you would be again going through this energy, if you get hurt, then that's not a life. Okay, what is universe telling you? The Fool means that take that leap of faith again, start a new business again, go for a new go for a new opportunity at job again, love again, because nothing, because of one experience you cannot judge your entire life. Okay, we have Queen of Cups. So definitely we have this both energies in your reading, King of Cups and Queen of Cups, and we have the Hierophant. So guys, if you were, first of all, let me clear you this energy. If you can see, if you are waiting for marriage, definitely this is the soulmate energy. So if you get an opportunity this month to choose for your marriage proposals, and if you feel the person is correct, go for it. He could be your soulmate, because marriage is on the card. And if you see, this both are the cards, Queen of Cups and King of Cups, very much compatible to each other. Okay, very much powerful, the divine energy, very knowledgeable, very gentle, caring, giving. So yes, the Hierophant, if you were waiting for a person who could give you emotional support and balance in life, this is the month. Okay, this could be either you or vice versa. If you were waiting for someone and he or she has entered your life, then yes, definitely that person could offer you more love and more genuine care. Or this could also be you. You could offer someone that genuine love or care. okay, in this month. Then what we have as 10 of Swords. Now 10 of Swords is an energy again accepting the ends and beginning with a new fresh start. Okay, so if you could see guys, we have very clear indication from the universe, Taurus, for you that this is the time to take that leap of faith. This is a time to take that risk and change, to check whether you can, jump into something and get successful. This is a time where you let go of all the past traumas, those pain, those hurt, and see widely into a bright sun. Okay, yes, this would be a bit painful, I can sense that currently. Okay, this could be quite painful to accept the change, accept the endings, and going ahead with the new beginning. Yes, but trust me, if you are going to do that with love, with care, with self-love, with manifesting lot of love, care, kindness, gentleness, politeness, definitely there is a victory. So this is a Six of Wands. Obviously, Six of Wands means a victory. It means that you have overcome very brilliantly on this situation. It means that there is a victory in your December month. There is a success over whatever you are been manifesting. Okay, it's a clear indication. I think it's a very clear reading for Taurus that this month, even if you are going through pain, if you are hurt and you are facing your fear, face those fear rather than suppressing it. Take that leap of faith, take that risk again. But how is with love, with care, being very polite, manifesting happiness for self and others, self-love, with all the spiritual awakening. This is a major arcana card, guys. The Hierophant, the Fool are the major arcana cards. So trust me, they are indicating with spirituality or maybe becoming more religious. See, I am a spiritualist, but I would recommend, if you are you trust in your religion, try to be connected to your God, to yourself more this month, because that's what going to give birth to love and kindness in your heart. And with that gentleness, with that true love for yourself, you are going to offer that real help to others, that real love, that gentleness, that care to others. And because of that, you would be very much brilliantly having a triumph over the situation where you have to just cut off all the past trauma and begin with a new fresh start. Okay, because the victory is associated with a new start. So now this is in your hand, guys. I would wish you best luck for all your overcoming situations in life. With this, we would be meeting in the next month. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.